Hello there, welcome to That's Crackers, where today we are going to talk about Easter crackers, but particularly suggestions of what you can put in them. We sell crackers in two different sizes, so we've got a large cracker and a standard cracker, all different designs. So we've got our spring flower ones here, we've got sunflower gonks, and one that the kids will love, which is an Easter bunny with some big ears. So we have another video which will show you how to make a standard or a large cracker. Today I'm just going to focus on what you can add in. So a nice idea for Easter crackers is little Easter egg ornaments. So this is a little flower one. Ladybirds, we've got literally hundreds of them for you to choose from. Great idea for the spring is seed balls. So we've got lots of different sorts of seed balls. So many of them you can actually plant in the spring. So we've got badges that maybe might go with your crackers. We've got them with chicks on. We've got little key rings. So this one's an Easter lamb, which might be quite cute in this one actually. And then lots and lots of tins. Peter Rabbit, really, really popular at Easter, so these fit in our crackers. But this one here being really cute bunny, this is actually a Rendell Designs tin, fits really well in our large crackers. So just to show you that, if I take one of our large crackers, you'll see this tin fits in perfectly. If I take a smaller cracker, a standard cracker, you can see there's not a chance of this tin going in there. In contrast, if you've got a large cracker, you might be able to get in there, say, a Peter Rabbit tin and an egg and some other bits and pieces as well. So it really depends what you've got, what size crackers you've got as to what you put in them. When you do fill your cracker, you'll see from the videos with the instructions on it that what you need to do is you need to assemble it so that you've got one end connected and the other end open. You will then take your adjustable paper hat that comes in the kit that you will have, and you'll then take a joke. The jokes come in sheets, small sheets, large sheets, and you just need to snip them off. So in the pack that you'll have a generic joke. So this one is what is yellow and a whiz at maths, a banana with a calculator. Or you could separately buy Easter jokes. So an example on those sheets, which are normally in 12s, how do you catch the Easter bunny? Hide in a bush and make a noise like a carrot. Leave that one with you. So if you take your hat with your joke inside it, you then take your filler. So I'm going to use this little ladybird egg. Roll it up inside your hat because it makes it easier to get your filler in. Drop it in the gap that you've already got in the cracker here. Do your end up. So now it's assembled. Whatever you do, don't tip it up because it will all fall out. Then you need to take a ribbon. So on this one, I'm just going to use a nice white ribbon. Cut the strips off. Tie it up. Nice simple knot. You can do big bows. You can do anything you like. See this one here, the Easter bunny's got a big lime green organza bow on him. And there we go. You could just trim your ribbons up if you wanted to. Nice sharp pair of scissors. And there you go, ready for your Easter table. Thank you very much.